Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2020. The session is May-June. This is question number 10. We'll discuss pyramids, volume, angle and area of a triangle. Let's start. So here we have in front of us a pyramid with a rectangular base. ABCDE is a rectangular based pyramid. AC and BD intersect at F. EF is perpendicular to FC, AD is 10, DC is 6 and EC is 12 centimeters. Show that EF is 10.5 centimeters correct to one decimal place. They've asked us to find the height of this pyramid EF. First, we need to know the base of the pyramid, that is AC. So we use the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of AC. So AC squared should be equal to AD squared plus DC squared. AC square is equal to 10 square plus 6 square. So AC square is equal to 164. AC is going to be sorry, not 164, is going to be 136. 36. One second. Okay, so the under root of 136 is going to be 11.66, but since we are going to find the perpendicular of AC, that is perpendicular line that connects with AC, that is EF, we only need FC to find that value. In order to find FC, we need to divide this value by 2. So FC comes out to be, 5.83. Perfect. So FC is 5.83. Now we use the Pythagoras theorem to find EC. So, EF. So EC squared is equal to EF squared plus FC squared. We can also write EC squared minus FC squared equals to EF squared. So let's directly do that. EC is 12. 12 squared minus 5.83 squared should be equal to EF squared. So EF squared is equal to, 12 squared minus 5.83 squared gives me 110.01. So EF comes out to be, let's see, 10.5 centimeters. Hence, we proved the first part of the question. Now it says find the volume of the pyramid. In order to find the volume of the pyramid, we need to multiply the base area times the height times 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 times the base area. Now the base is a rectangle, so we multiply 10 and 6. 10 times 6 times the height, which is 10.5. Let's do that. 1 over 3 times 60 times 10.5, we get 210 centimeters cube. That is your answer. So we write that over here, 210 centimeters cube. 1 second. Okay, now the next part, calculate DEC. 1 second, let me remove the other marks from the question so that we only have to calculate DEC. So DEC is this angle right here on the lateral triangle on the side. So in order to find DEC, first we need to know the length of ED so that we can use the cosine rule. If EC is 12, ED would also be 12. So we use the cosine rule. The cosine rule states that DC squared should be equal to EC squared plus ED squared, EC squared plus ED squared minus 2 EC times ED cos DEC. Okay, now let's plug the values in. DC is 6. 6 squared equals 12 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 12 times 12 cos DEC. Okay, so you do 6 square minus 12 square minus, sorry, why would I write the minus sign on the top? That's not correct. Okay, so you do minus 12 squared over minus 2 times 12 equal to cos DEC. So if cos DEC, let's find the value first. Now this is a big number to be plugged in. So 36 minus 144 minus 144 divided by negative 2 times 12 gives me 7 over 8. 7 over 8. So angle DEC should come out to be, if we put cos and inverse of answer, 28.9 or 29 degrees. So you write 29 degrees right there. Let's move on. The last part of the question says calculate the area of triangle DEC. Calculate the area of this triangle right here, DEC. Let's use the trigonometric formula for the area. So the area of triangle DEC can be calculated by multiplying half times A times B times sine C. So in this case, A, B are going to be the lengths EC and ED, which are 12 and 12. So you write 1 over 2 times 12 times 12 times sine 29. We plug in the values. So 0.5 times 12 times 12 times sine 29 gives me 34.9. 34.9 centimeters squared, that is the area. So you write that over there. I hope the question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.